Link speedrunners versus Hunter. So guys, we have a head start right now.
Di ba may boyfriend? Tapos mo yung package natin. Dito ako kay Dada.
Okay, now it's time to craft. Tingnan mo to. Tingnan mo nga sa kan.
Oo. Tulog na lang. Ngayon. Bukas. Hindi ko pa kayo snorkeling. Hindi ka.
300 na ito, 300.
Kung ako naman yung mga isla na nakapantulad ng site. May mga nino, gumigasal.
Oh, swerte ko talaga, oh. Meron akong 100 beds. Dami na akong beds dito, oh. Speedrun na ako. Rapper, wow. Oy, 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 oy. Knock, knock.
Ang teammate ko, andyan.
Knock, knock.
Ang dami na.
Knock, knock.
Apat sila, kaya namin. Yan, level 2 pa lang sila.
Noob ka, ibig sabihin nun.
Wow! Iniwan.
Hindi, noob siya, ibig sabihin nun. Noob ka tuloy.
Is between the meal snacks. How much is it? I realized that handful to me. Already. 3 or 6. Me, it's like 2 or 3. A handful of Walker Hudson is probably like double that. So I'm gonna let 6. I'm seeing some people all that. I had this story in my and I saw one.
Dito lang.
Yan, meron ako na mga stone. So guys, I'm cooking Kelvin right now. We still haven't even gone here.
Ano ba lang?
Tara na get a lot of blood so I can defeat the Ender Dragon. Oh, finally a chest, guys.
Everyone's so far. The only thing I'm starting to worry about
Got a lot of gold. A lot of apples.
Oh, inano ko talaga ako.
Some potatoes.
No, yes.
all right, everyone. It's time for lunch.
Ano yung potato ko? Paano mo na-predict yun?
What? Yan, wala na dito kong chest.
What?
Wait. Nakalimutan ko nga pala kayo.
Needless to say, I was surprised. This actually pizza.
Yung pwede ka wala kang nilin ng gamit mo din. Ninahin ko natin. Worth it yan. Sure ka na hindi yan kinawarak ng wooden. Kasi nawarak ko eh. Sabay nakuha ko pa.
Super Uy, sarap yan. End yun na! Yan.
Guys, I'm so far ahead. And I can eat 500 potatoes. Because he's so long. I guess I'll take a grinder.
Hindi mo ako may
Oh, copper spear! Ken! Bundle! Iron sword! Iron lagi. And I'm just kidding, but I'm really fighting. If I get a horse, I'll give him this. Kananin ko si ano. Yung Iron Golem. Wah! Pero kung masyado mabagal ako, ano Iron Sword. Oh, paper! And I want to get some more bread.
How are you? What's your card?
What? Oh, there.
Because I didn't lunch was a bit. Or I rolled next was 5. At this point, I take
No,
just
I'm good.
15,000.
Yeah. Can I have some wood?
Ooh!
I fell. I need some block. I need some help.
Just reset.
Block.
Wait, Ken, ngayon ko lang ito na alam. Tignan mo, oh. Di na kan sila na, ano.
Block. You know what? I'm gonna do.
Where?
I'm actually pretty
Pretty
excited.
good, pretty good.
Wait.
Wait, I'm telling you to wait. Mine. Ken, ang dami nila kinano. Oh my gosh, bro, damn.
Dito na tayo mag-live.
Kaya nga eh, kinuha ko nga lahat ng bed nila eh. Balik ko kaya akin.
Oh, dito nga tayo mag-live. Dyan. Nakalimutan ko pa ng lagay mo man. Ako
Ingay ah. Nawara content nila, sorry guys. Wow, you want to get speared? The booty? Ken, pwede nga natin yan Ken gamitin eh para sa kanila eh, para mag-breed. Meron isang wheat. Oh, you want some?
tumala dito sa dito sa
Kaya nga eh. Nakalimutin ko ako nasan.
Lala ko, lala. Ano dam?
Over here. Then kung mag-main ka ng dirt. Then maglagay ka ng dirt. Nalagay mo na siya? Tama. Ikaw ko na mo itong dirt na to. Sabay mag-build up ka. Ano pala eh. Thank you guys.
Tingnan bed. Kita tayo mag-live.
Panalo na sana yun, namalig lang yung alis eh.
Ayun na sa'yo. Naihian.
Panalo sana yun, namalig lang yung alis.
Sabay akin puti.
Bukan. Naglalag ako.
Nawalan ng vision eh.
Yan, matulog ka kaya? Yan, matulog ka na. Matulog ka na!
Alam ko kung ano yung score ko na yun eh. Oo, pilit.
Binigyan kita ko ng special dirt yun, Ken eh.
Tingnan nga stone. Tsaka food.
Kingismon ka lang sa wood ko. Nothing. Totally. Ito kanya may narawan na pinto. Oh. Takbuhan mo rin yung ano nila. Former nga natin, Kit. Balik mo yan. Kailangan natin kinaano eh. Hindi naman sila mag-work sa atin. Magagalit sila, sabay hindi na sila mag-ano. Wait a minute, what? In the world? 9 emeralds for one singular bookshelf? Ano pa siya? There's a pig. Pigs. Ken. I have a big juicy bundle. Fruit's full already. Spit that out right now. Thank you.
Diba, Tay?
My copper spear. What if I put a bundle inside the bundle inside the bundle inside the bundle inside? Wait, let me now just drop my little spear. Now, don't. Wait, I need to get more momentum. Oh,
Dito na.
bro, look how much potatoes I have.
Lang. Talo?
Can look how many potatoes I have.
Try mo. Maglayabang yung page nila.
Amon yung potatoes. Alam ko nga eh.
Ako doon parang palit.
Yung big potatoes. Na please. Okay, tara na. Mina naman tara ako ng wood.
Hindi pa rin ako pwede.
Kailangan mo, meron na ako kanina pa eh. Huwag ka mag-drop. Let's kill the dragon. Dragon? Wag mo yun kin po tayo, nagpo-protect nga yan eh. Saan yung base natin? Wala na ako, masyadong gutom na ako. Sobrang gutom na ako. I'm dying of hunger. Gotta spit this thing out. Le. In the west, that means help. Yeah, I want to get wood. Le. I want to get wood. Le, I want to get wood, bro. Le, bro. I want to get wood. Help me get wood. No, never mind. Let's go. Bro, there's literally a cave and you're not going to that cave.
Ano?
Too dangerous. That's not dangerous enough. My 2 chests. Okay. I'll bring you. Okay. But I put you. Make sure that the potatoes are safe. Make sure that I have a second door just in case. Guess mo kailan yung bed ko ngayon? Ilan? Madam. Joke lang. No, I'm not bringing my iron sword, bro. I'm bringing this. We have played for 1 day. What in the world? Bilis. Doon mo na ako. Magkikave diving tayo.
Pag namatay, creative wood.
Okay. Aray.
Balikan kung saan nawala ang gamit.
Yun man ang nahanap na call. What the hell? Skeleton. Skeleton with gold armor. What the hell? Kenneth, what the hell? Curse? Ken? What the hell? Ken, is that a curse or no?
Talon ba natin kumakakang siya? Bading detect.
Ken, naman na yung bread ah. Diyan kanya ano eh. Ah! Yan kanya arrows niyo. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Skelly bone. Skelly Bone that uses his hands. Skelly Bone that uses his hands. Combo. Now you're using your bow, bro. That's cheating. Ah! Bro, sa punch bow. Bro, I found that skeleton, so that thing should be mine, right? Ah! Bro, it's like knockback by billion.
Not block.
Ano ba tawag dito?
Ngayon ang part pag may share ka nalat sa PD.
Go, go, go.
Saan di doon tayo?
Nah, I'm gonna try to find iron first. And just in case I have 9 pieces of bread. I could have had some 64 potatoes, but we're not using that, bro. Those stuff are so important. Alam mo ng pagkain?
Yes.
Diyan ka lang kung maghanap ako. Ooh, lapis! Ah! Ah! Skelly bone! Aroy. Tingnan ko baka sticks na ako ni. Dito na ako.
Ay, ba't yung ultra riding?
Ah, alam ko yan.
Ito yung mood ko.
Wait lang, mamaya muna. Meron gender eh. Wait lang.
Sabihin mo pag torch.
Torch. Ready ka na kan? Ready ka na? Okay na kaya to. Wait lang. Wag.
Aray, naiit kita eh. Ako dyan. Ako na lang dyan.
Wait lang, wag dito.
Bakit? Tayo sigaw na namin.
Ito, ikaw pala yun eh.
Ultra mining mo eh.
Yun ang feeling na nandito. Go, ultra.
Diyan ako sa first kasi nakahit kita eh.
Last time nga, di ba na-hit ko?
Ako lang dyan.
Ay, nako. Hindi ka marunong.
Pag duman. Wait, torch.
Kaya ako,
Wait.
Gravel yan. Kabila.
bulong ka dati.
Torch.
Ang kailangan mo na, go. Kailangan mo na natin yung gawin natin ang gawin. Yan, sabay. 3 lang tin lapis na kuha ko kasi meron nag-atake sa akin.
Torch?
Mamaya. Brr. Lang. Ikaw muna mag-check. Ikaw muna mag-aaral.
Ultra mining.
Wag na dyan. Balik tayo. Mag-dig pa tayo. Yan, sabi mo kanina mahalaw na ka ng hunger mo. Mas low pa ang hunger ko sa'yo.
Ayun! Yeah,
Kinuha ko na mo.
Oh. Ito mag-ibig Ano tayo, MP? 1-1 daw ngayon eh.
Ako nakahanap nga na.
Aurora.
Wala natin kinaano. 48 na iron.
Sabi ng bitch, 3 agad.
48. Para makakuha tayo ng full set. Sabay, 7 pa lang. Last time nga di ba meron tayo ng sobrang daming iron na sa isang server na yun? Di ba nagsa-shortkin sila ng chess?
Copper gold.
3, 2, 1, 4, 5. 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, break.
MPL ba?
Aray, huwag ka.
MPL?
Kasi din kita dyan.
Wala yan. Diba yan?
Pass muna tayo.
Ano yun?
Pistol.
Ang baril.
Yung sarili siya. Gani!
Hindi yan.
Galing na.
Hindi ako lumilipad yan ah.
Pinipat.
Ano yung alay ko?
Okay, mag-bridge up ka na. Magbi-bridge up ako gamit to.
Yan.
Dirt. Kasi meron pa kang gamit. Oh my God. You're right, bro. They're still, do you right? Are you serious?
Di ba? Kailangan ba natin magpapabilis?
I have no more blocks. I only have a gravel. I don't have any blocks, bro. These are my last blocks. These are my last blocks.
Eh, bumali na tayo sa 1,000, di ba?
Dapat magkatabi ang
Pero magkano na pera
Eh, wala na eh. Dati, 2,000 ngayon. 1,000 na lang.
dapat magkatabi.
magkano na ano mo? Yung sa Ha!
Nasa
I'm kidding.
4,500. Dami na nga dito.
Open mo ko rin mo eh.
Eh, siyempre, kapag mga iba dyan, mababawasan, kailangan mo ulit pumili ng mga ingredient. Pati yung MM nila.
Meron ka ba ano? Kain mo nga to. Conmain mo nga to. Ito.
Hindi ba? Eh, hindi ibang kulay.
Ba't crafting table isa?
Ito. Pangit. So, pag Indo. 1,000 pa po.
He got cheated on! No! Buy a better one. Are you serious?
Ano, sino dahil ko Pilipino? Saan galing yun? MDL, doon nila nahugot? Anong team?
Yan, magawa na tayo ng own farm natin. Magawa tayo ng own farm natin.
MDL sila.
Kakain na ako ng bread.
Paano magkagawa ng bahay?
Gagawin ko on top ng bahay.
ko ng iron sa dito. Tapos
Ay.
yung mga cobblestone nandito.
Kailangan natin ka ng mas madaming wood. Kumuha ka muna ka ng wood. Dahil nga ng wood ka nandito. Oh. Ken, crafting table is faking that he's not cheating. He used the door to block it. Please be the rain, that's what I'm saying. See? Birds always brings bad luck.
And what is name is
Ken,
Let's go. Help!
what?
Bless.
Push ko siya sa'yo? Oh, no damage! Oh! Oh, Dab, oh, you hit me. 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 Oh, nah, damn, bro. That spider powerful. Bro, bring me to 3 hearts. Did mobs get buffed or something? Ken. Ken. Tignan mo nga to, Ken. Den. Even the doors are cheating. They're helping him cheat. Now it's time to get some sticks. After I get the sticks, I get some pickaxes. Then an axe. There you go.
Ay, boss, tira natin.
Of course, I need to make a shovel.
Tira yung mic, no? Tira yung mic.
Bila?
Oo, sila yung mga pag tanong, wala nang nakakasunod. Yan, gawa.
May pataw na po talaga
Yung isang may inhaler sila.
Kasi nakakamay na yung
Creep. Get away.
Ay, itong super na nagabot sa...
Okay. I just go in the water. Ken, pag pinasabog niya ako, Ken, mawala ka ng potatoes mo.
Tawag na kita.
Where are you? Where's that? Ay, Dan! Ikaw may birthday? Ikaw ba may birthday?
Close to the base. I said close to the basement.
Bobo.
I'm stuck.
Parang parang hindi wala ni Lord.
Where?
Parang babait eh, no?
He ran away. He was
Wow!
over there, bro.
Kiss!
Masaya.
Get some wheat. Get some wheat, bro.
Oh!
So you can breathe and then make it take water.
Sa Pangulio. Ito namin ilabas kami sa akin. Pero, hindi ginamit yung bus eh.
Bakit?
Ginamit. Oy,
And I'm still mining dirt. And I'm still mining dirt,
Hindi makabanto sa
but in a slower way.
May parang autoban, no?
And I'm making a big farm. This, can we need a water bucket to grow the potatoes? To grow more potatoes. I'm gonna build it on top of the base. So the villagers don't try to take our potato.
Dahil kita yung ano.
Bras que skilaxi.
Parang nag-phone mo eh.
Bras. Can we need to make some stuff?
Grabe naman yung kabawasan din ang mga para. Taas yun!
Hindi ko mo kaya ganito yung start siguro na
Pag naiipaw sa
para sa ginagawa. Like, wait. Napaganda pa.
Malapit ka na sa base natin kanina. Yung creeper.
Dito man, pwede din dito. Pwede.
Sige. Para mas madami.
Pasok! Malak mo.
Ka na mag-lock. Nag-ano ako ng phone dito na sa taas.
Pasok!
Kailangan pa ba natin ka ng chimney? Or hindi na? Yan yung creeper ka nanonood lang. Sinasabi nang ginagawa kaya na ito.
Joke lang. Pasok mo dito pa.
Or, baka sinasabi na din tayo.
Binild ko ka na on top ng ano natin. Para kan yung mga villagers hindi kin makukuha.
Nakikita ko isang group sa series na mabilis. But there's that.
Hey, tignan mo to. Ain't no way I forgot about you, you little chimney. Sorry, kaya now at this time, to go the other side.
Tapos, nakakawa ka. Ikaw medyo naka-aura. Dahil parang the new thing. Pag tama ka nagpasya sa early stage, nakakataas yung talaga.
Now I'll just make this one. Ano yun?
Season 17, ay kailangan despite the adjustments, the nerfs, and this hero, ay push ito rin po siya. Dito sa loob ng ating liga. Parang siya,
Can look at this. It looks like an armor piece.
Sabi ko kasi naman sabi mo yung pattern na parang
Title.
completely agree. Parang yung problema dun sa...
Yan, kailangan natin din magawa ng ladders para makataas na sa farm natin. Sabay ko na ito na akin yung bahay natin para diretso na sa agad tayo. Tingnan mo, no? Tingnan mo to. Kasi ko. Helmet!
Masasabi ko na hindi pa ito yung parang...
Kailangan natin water bucket. Meron ka na nagawa? So, magawa ka na.
Hindi na tayo mong balan-balan.
Come on. Gagamitin para pagpagka ano natin, sabay natin sila. Bakit sila? Aray, sakit. Gagawin namin. Tulong muna tayo. Tulong muna tayo. Magawa ka pala wala ano. We have a cheater. Disappeared. Dahil kinagsabi, pero 20%.
Ten, sa tamat ako, Ten, please mga muna ako, Ten. Ten! Oras naman tanga to. Bawang bigla ka lang.
Yeah. Kapal mo rin ako.
Okay. Natulog na. Monsters nearby. Oh, I forgot about Mr. Bob. Bro, I literally
Grass.
named him. Okay.
Grass.
Not rest now. Not rest now. There are monsters
Bro, break your bed. Put
Not
it.
rest now. There are monsters nearby. Not rest now. There are monsters nearby. Not rest now. There are
Don't kill Bob, okay?
not rest now. There are monsters nearby.
Oh! Lapis for free.
Tingata.
What?
Tingata.
Ken Love Mama says he would give you 50 minutes to TV. Excited why FRC why I want to see why FRC why
Hey.
You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby.
Ganun mo kanyang ginawa ko. Huwag mo lang ano yun, si Bob.
Yung Bob.
Spawn
Creeper.
point set. You may not
Si
rest
Bob.
now. There are monsters nearby.
Pangalan niya nga yun. Uy.
Respawn point set. You may not rest now. There are
Ano
monsters
akin?
nearby.
Pagkatapos
Respawn
ng
point
wait.
set. You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby. Respawn point set. You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby.
Oh, there's Bob. Hey, Bob. What you doing?
Nagagawa din ako escape ko. No.
Steven Gabriel. Steven Gabriel.
Finally, time to go outside.
Time to go up.
Fresh air. Is Bob still there? Yep, Bob is still inside his cage. Yes, sir. Oh, Bob 2.0 is here, bro. Bob 2.0.
Oh, there's Bob. Oh,
But we can't take him. We already have Bob 3.0. Look, Bob 3.0. That's Bob 2.0 and that's Bob 3.0.
oh. I'm on
No!
Roblox. Roblox, Minecraft. Roblox,
Oh.
Roblox, Minecraft.
Burn! Burn! What is that? Probably something.
Mabog.
Oh, you killed Bob! You are evil. You just killed Bob. Meow, meow, meow,
So,
meow.
magawa tayo ng grade.
R.I.P. Bob, lagay mo. R.I.P. Bob, guys.
Gawa tayo ng
Sakit.
grade. Ayun na. Naman mag-rap battle muna tayo.
Kadagadi, ganda.
Kapag wala ka naman laptop, eto, puso, pambili mo ng laptop. Pag hindi mo sarap, lagyan mo magic sarap. Ganun.
Bilis mo, Ken.
Basta man, dali.
Ilang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 to. Kailangan ko ng dalawa dito. Oh, bilis mo, Ken. Kailangan na natin water bucket.
Water bucket.
Di ba binigay ko sa'yo? Kailangan natin ng tubig.
Sige, pasa mo sa baba.
Ken, kailangan natin ng dalawa. Ayun yung ginawa ko yun. Hindi mo yung makukuha.
Why?
Hindi kasi puno eh. Meron na dyan Ken staircase ah. Mali!
Saan ba?
Nandito kasi nasa top na yan. Ano na.
Dito.
Yun, kailangan pa natin ng isa.
Ka.
Oy, 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 oy.
Kau, kakau, 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 kau, kakau, 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 kakau.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mali ka.
Ano?
Mali. Spread. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter spread, bro.
Peanut butter.
Ikaw ata kanya na mali eh. That one is not supposed to be. Yun! Okay na. Yuppie. Bilis mo nga naman yung water bucket. Kailangan ko yun. May lang gagawin.
Ako maggawa sa
Oo.
kailangan natin ng seeds.
Ken, hindi mo gusto first yung potatoes. Oh my god, I just got back down, bro.
Tato. Hindi.
Ah!
Pa.
Ah!
Pa.
There you go. No, I'm still putting the water inside. No, they changed it, bro. There's no more infinite water.
Wala?
Na 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 na. Bro, we got trolled. Bre.
Here's my bed.
And but this time, we gotta use this to block it. Cause the villagers might climb up and harvest our stuff. You gotta bridge up. You gotta see your potatoes. What do you name? What would you name them?
Okay. Your name is Bob. Your name is Bob. Or Bob.
Hey, no!
Your name is Bob. Your name is Bob 5. And the rest.
You gonna eat one? Should I eat one? I already ate one. Gonna eat another one.
Then,
Bro, I ate one by accident. It kept on eating. Bro, you just ate some cooked mutton. I heard that. I know my sons, bro, okay. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. You gotta make sure that there ain't anything that is very, very, very bad.
Balik sa pool dito.
You want? Nee, good.
You don't want this? This to die?
I have
To die your
changed.
bed? Oh my god. Finally.
I have blue and I have red. I want to get hollow purple.
I have blue. And you have red.
There will be hollow purple, bro. Do I jump on your traps? I jump.
No?
I jumped and then oh, I broke. And look at this. Look at this. It's not even getting full again.
Ano ba na lang?
And look at my big brain strategy, bro. Ken, look at these. It's like a helmet, and these are where your eyes are supposed to be.
Let me see. Let's see. Oh my god. It's growing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy.
Bro, I literally just got those potatoes from another farm. I love them.
Oh my god. I'm happy.
Hey, you're not supposed to be right grown. There you go, fixed. Oh no, the potatoes. Ken, this is our first potato.
Okay.
What do we call him?
For Bob 1. And the rest, Bob 2, Bob 3, Bob
Until Bob 64?
Yeah. And 65.
No, 63 only. One died.
You guys are evil. You're out.
Bro, you calling your stuff evil? Bro, look at this! It's looking fire. But we're not taking that. That's them's. It's theirs, bro. You can't just rob people. We are kind and we hit some sheep.
We hit some trees.
Nah, I'm kidding. I don't have any wheat, so sorry, but
Yeah, I did something.
Totally.
Bro, did you just fart?
No, I did not. Ayan, makakain. Let's see.
Block blast! I'm hitting.
Ang mas. Theater door. Second.
Ken, he's cheating so much. Look! Crafting table is literally doing stuff. Oh, that hurts.
Sleep.
What is this? What the hell? You think this is the trash can? Bro, this ain't a trash can.
Nag-mine ako underground tapos ayun pala tunnel mo.
Pre.
Tala pa kung ano na.
Okay, now I just get some lava.
What do you mean?
We are getting a recycle bin because you're destroying stuff. I almost fell inside the ravine. Pa ako po nakatapak na sa paa ko.
Pwede.
Sabay isa kong paa, nakatapak na sa air. Break 1. Here, okay. He's getting cheated on. He's inside. Bro, he's inside. Look, he's inside here.
Where?
Bro, don't mind it like that. Bro got so many girls. Okay, now I just put some leaf litter. Do I put that on there? Or no?
Ah, trash can yan.
Carpet? Yeah, trash.
Eh, carpet.
Raw mutton? Yeah, trash. I just throw the raw mutton inside.
What the? What?
Bro!
I thought... I'm dumb. I'm dumb.
I literally found that and it was only one place, bro. Have to find more. And I was literally dumb of not blocking the blacksmith. But I forgot where the blacksmith is. And I just found more lava.
Damn!
Oh, 9 emeralds for an iron chest. That's good.
Damn!
Damn! That's the same trader that you're looking at. I'm just gonna eat our order. Sabihin pagagising mo. Ah! The burner 1, 2, 3. Di ba? Bro, that's my stuff.
Lagay ko to. Ito. Ito kasi.
These are all mine.
Hey bro, do you have...
I accidentally burned 5 iron. I'm kidding. Yeah. Bro, don't give me your little axe. That's about to have 1% durability. Get over here, get over here.
Mga pagkain. Mga pagkain.
Sige, wala ka din.
Bigyan din nito. Ooh, this is kind of nice. And slap.
Thought it was at 1 durability, bro. At least you made it at least 2 durability. Yung healing?
Hey,
Oh! 42 durability! That's impressive. Look at this! in the world?
Mga patawanin.
Oh, horse. Let's see. Oh! Can I need to get a saddle, bro? Oh, this horse is fast. Do you want to die to a wonder ability? Axe or no? Oh, good. But you die. See, it was at wonder ability. Combo. Oh! My horse was died by me. Canton? Okay.
Ang ganda nilang progress natin naman.
Pero ilan pa lang kan iron natin yun. Kailangan natin magawa ng shield. Hey! Is this your base? Well, not anymore. Get out. Yung tulak mo siya ka nasa ano? Tulak mo siya ka nasa farm. Tulak mo siya ka nasa farm. Hirap niya tulakin.
Sabihin na sa akin lahat ng mga sikreto nyo. Nay, ako po yung naglakot. Ang 1,000 sa pera mo. Kaya pala wala na akong pera sa pitaka ko. Nay, may jowa ako. Oh, ano naman? 5 sila. Paano mo na kaya lahat yun? Nay, ang baba po ng mga grades ko ngayon. Huwag ka po sana magalit sa akin. Okay lang yan, anak. Ano ba grade mo? 95. Okay na yun. Ako nga 75, masaya na ako eh. Nay, hindi po ako straight. May boyfriend po ako. Tagal ko nang alam, anak. Tanggap kita. Thank you, Nay. Mari, mag-end of the world na pala. Oo nga, Mari. Nakakatakot. May kailangan kang malaman, Mari. Ha? Ano yun?
Lalaki
Ako
siya?
yung tupit ng asawa mo. Walang hiya ka. Alam mo, mamatay na tayo. Kaya pinapatawad na. Breaking. Mag-end of the world na, mamaya. Mag-end of the world na. Mga anak.
Oy. In-exit ko. Lagyan mga nasa ulo niya. Lagyan mo nasa ulo niya. Wala ko. Villager be like, yay, I'm out. Get reset. Inside na siya. Wait lang. Oh, at least meron kang roof.
Sa rooftop. Siya tayo. Diba? Nababasa pa din.
Ayun. Galing ko talaga. Ay, carpet ko yan ah. Ay, yung carpet ko na kinuha.
Ako nagawa nito eh. Ayan, may carpet na ha.
Puno na kanyang ano natin. Kailangan natin kinto. Ano, mamaya isort.
Ba't may villager dito?
Pag gusto mo din pumasok, okay, pasok natin sa kanya.
Mag-serve ka. Wala pa.
Oh! Ross, good deals. Pwede ba natin ano? Gawin yung bread on bread.
Ano yung bread and bread?
Gawin natin dido natin. Gawin natin wheat. Hindi sayang, no?
Takbo dyan, takbo. Takbo, huwag sa compound.
Ah.
Ka ba?
Oy.
Tingnan ka.
Kaya sabi, gutom na ako. Pero nasa isip niya talaga.
Ako din nahulog.
Ken is killing Ken. Invest mo. Hit. Patayin kita. Okay. Mr. Villager! Lumabas ka! Saan ka pumasok? Bahay mo ba to? Amin to eh.
Sa rooftop.
Gusto mo maulog? O sige, tumalon ka na. Di ba gusto mo tumalon? Tumalon ka na.
Dito ka? Ako pala, dito ka.
Tumakas eh. Yung kinagat ng zombie. Niluto. let the world cook. I let the world cook, bro. Bro, just let him cook. I said, let him cook. Ding, ding, ding. Bro. Ito siya. Imagine mo yun, bro. Kaya hindi na siya makakahinga.
Bakit?
Ano yan? Let me cook. Oh, meron na siyang roof. Parang beat natin siya. Yan yung copper spear ko. Rare yan, ah. Nalagyan ko ng poop seasoning yan.
No?
Poop seasoning.
What the?
My poop is the seasoning. Yan, kailangan ko ng sticks.
Nasa ano? Nasa wood.
Isa lang na wood.
Ikaw lang? Ka?
Oh. Oh. Paano ako nag-craft? Paano ako nag-craft?
Ha? Hindi, ano?
Paano
Hindi
ka
ko
nag-craft?
nag-cheat to.
Paano ako nag-craft?
Nag-cheat to.
Hindi, paano ako nakaka-craft ng ano habang nakaganon ka?
No.
Uy, library yun. Nasa cave ka na. Nandun yan, exit yun. Nandun yan, exit. Oy.
Sorry, I'm back. Ito, Peter.